Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode sponsored by Delta Exchange, and not only sponsored by Delta Exchange, this is a promotional video of Delta.exchange. So coming back to this Delta.exchange, and because for the last few months stock markets were very volatile, and because of this US inflation, this and that, and then crypto also there were a lot of problems. So there was like a moratorium announced by Vault. The issue is still going on. So issue has not been settled. So because of that, I think the trading volume has also come down in crypto. But however, I always believe that the cryptos is the best place to trade and to make money. And if you are a good trader, and alongside short side also people, if you are a technical analyst, when Bitcoin fell from 60,000 to 17,000, 18,000, definitely you should have made money. But I am not a chartist, so I just usually go for a option strategy. So now the question is, why I am coming back to crypto now? Somehow I feel that the global commotion is over, and you know, the global markets are rallying, and even the Fed hike interest rate last Wednesday, but still markets rallied. So the volatility index is going down. So now, you know, just like 2020, there was a coronavirus, there was a huge commotion. Then after that, everything settled, markets rallied. So the same way now I am expecting markets to be stable at least. Whether rallying or not, it's a different story, but at least the markets will be stable without any big volatility. So that's why I'm just re-looking at Delta Exchange. So before looking at to this, look at this chart. So this is a Ethereum chart, and now I find the premiums are not really very good. This Ethereum chart in the last 1 year chart, so the high it went is about 4,600. The low it went is closer to $1,000. The last 1 year range is $1,000 to $4,500. But of course, $4,000 is not going to go anytime soon, because the markets are not that bullish when it comes to cryptos. You know, Bitcoin has crashed from $65,000, I think $69,000 was the high, came down all the way, now trading around $23,000. So the markets are not that bullish. This time, I am just going for a simple short strangle. I just want to sell a call option and want to sell a put option, which I have done already. So this is a Delta Exchange website. So you can see here Ethereum $1,000 put option. So I sold for 10 quantity, 10 Ethereum, and I sold it for $45.50. So $45.50, and it is still trading there only, because mine was the last traded one. Then I sold 4,000 call option, also the 10 Ethereum. So I sold it for $17.50. Now it is $17.10 buyer, seller $20. I sold it for $17.50. The margin money I paid for both together is roughly about $2,000, and the premium collected is about $700. So which means like as long as Ethereum is trading between $1,000 and $4,000, and you know, the profit is going to be approximately 30%, and this is a September expiry. It's about 3 months time. But even for 3 months, July month is over almost. For August, September, it's only 2 months. For 2 months, we are getting about 30% return. So that's about 15% return per month. So that's a fantastic return. But I am of the view that, you know, market may come down to $1,000. In case if it comes below $10,000, I'm prepared to take delivery. But there is no way it's going to go to $4,000. Forget about $4,000. The 1 year high is $4,500. So I had some extra cash. So what I did, I sold 5,000 call option. So double the quantity. I sold it at $11.40, for which the margin paid is only $1,800, and collected premium is about $228. So if you put together, the total margin money I paid is about $4,000, and the premium collected is about $1,000. Is about 25% return in a matter of 2 months, as long as Ethereum is trading between $1,000 and $4,000. There is a good news. Delta.exchange has reduced the brokerage for all the options trade. They have reduced the brokerage by 40%. This is not any promotional offer for a limited period. So from now forever it will be the reduced brokerage. Number one, I think you all know there are some restrictions, some drawbacks trading in cryptos from India. And because now they say 30% flat tax and 1% TDS and so on. But this crypto trading is really useful for NRIs who are staying outside India, who are not liable to pay tax to Indian government. And in fact, I can tell you, one of my friends who has got large amount of money and very much interested in trading in crypto. So he is planning to leave India and planning to take Portugal citizenship, and because in Portugal there is no tax for cryptos. One need not give up Indian citizenship to go and take a citizenship of another country, and as long as you set up some business abroad, you stay abroad for more than 6 months, you become an NRI, so you are not liable to pay tax to Indian government. So being an NRI, you can trade in cryptos or even in US markets. So your effective taxation will be zero. Say for example, if you set up a business in Dubai and then from Dubai you trade in crypto, the taxation is zero. So you are getting 12%, 15% return per month, that too tax free. So that is really a very lucrative business. As I said, some of the things which I am discussing may not be suitable for tax residents of India, but definitely this is very lucrative for the non-resident Indians as well as of foreign citizens. But of course, how many foreign citizens are going to follow my YouTube channel? So mostly NRIs who are following my YouTube channel, so will be benefited in this. After a long time, I have taken a trade. I could not do the live trade because the liquidity was a little bit here and there. Placed the order, so order got executed. So that's why I am showing. I will continue to give update of this trade until September end. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.